Hello friends, welcome back to another video. So in this video I want to discuss about one railway stock which is RailTel. So before going into the content of this video, so let me tell you the disclaimer. So I am not a SEBI registered analyst. This is also not a buy sell recommendation. This is purely educational in purpose, and in this video you are definitely going to learn something very valuable. So if you like this analysis, and then try to subscribe to my channel and also share this channel with your family and friends. So let's get into the topic of the discussion. Now, if you look at this RailTel, okay, so this stock has been in a downtrend, okay, after again let's say a rally. So if we zoom out and then see, it has given a rally, nice rally, and then it has achieved an all-time high of around 600. From that 600, now it has come down. It has come down, corrected by 50%. Okay, huge correction, but that is possible sometimes. Okay, it will make 40% correction, 50% correction from the highs. It will do that. Now if you look at that correction, is the correction over? So yes, it looks like that correction is over. How do we know? Because when it is correcting, okay, if you look at that correction, so this correction, it has crossed 200 simple moving average and went below, and then now it started actually going up. So this is its bottom. Okay, this is the bottom. If you look at the bottom formation, no, so in one previous video I have made one video on how to identify when a stock is changing its trend. Okay, when it is turning, making a turn from a bullish phase to bearish phase and bearish phase to bullish phase. In that video, I had discussed about higher highs and then lower highs. So now, if you see in the bearish phase, if we take the path of it, so that's one high. Okay, this is its next high, which is lower than the previous high, and then this is another high which is again lower than the previous high, and then maybe you can see another high, another high. Okay, every time almost that high is lower than the previous high. Now once it bottoms out, you see this high, okay, which is higher than the previous high. So that means now the stock is slowly making a turn, and then look at this, look at this, and then now it has crossed that trend line. Okay, so that is how it will actually make a turn. So in a bearish phase, it will make lower highs, and then in a bullish phase it will make higher highs. So that is the significance of lower highs and then higher highs. So how do we know? All that we need to do is we have to just join one line connecting all the lower highs, all the highs, and then you get a trend line. The moment that it has crossed the trend line, that means it started actually changing the nature. Now if you see, it has, okay, it has crossed the 200 EMA. That means it started turning into bullish, and then again there is a little small correction, and then again if you see the same thing, whatever that we had done at a larger level, another lower high formation we see. High, this is one high, another lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Again you can actually nicely draw a same trend line here. So now again now that trend line is broken. So once this trend line is broken, that means again it is starting a little bullish phase. Now what would happen? So what would happen is, if you see, this stock will correct, like that means it will form a high. Maybe it will come till 200 EMA, 200 SMA, take a support around this region somewhere, and then it will actually go up. Okay, so that is what ideally it's going to happen. So then till what level we can actually expect it to go, that we may not be able to tell, but realistically you can take targets somewhere around this. Okay, those two can be our realistic targets. And then where can I enter? You can enter, your zone of entry will be, let me just roughly mark that zone of entry. You can mark it, you can take entry starting from today price. Okay, let's say 400 till here. Okay, let's say 360, 370. So this entire box, as long as it is in this box, you can take an entry. So starting from this price 400, you can continue accumulating till 370, and then where should be your stop loss? Your stop loss should be strictly at 326. Must, you have to maintain. If it breaks below 326, that means you must exit. And then till what period that you can hold? You can hold it till 510, and then you can hold it till 615. So that's what actually this stock is going to do. So this is an analysis. We can actually go wrong, that is absolutely fine, but nevertheless this is a reading based on a strong technical analysis of the chart. So probability will be high. So stock market is just a matter of probabilities wherein your odds of winning will be higher. So it's a informed decision. That is what we are making. So if you like this video, this is what I want to present in this. So if you like this video, so you subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon, and you will get notifications when I make a new video, and also try to share it with your family and friends, and then join with me, follow me on Twitter, and then join my Telegram channel. The links of both I will provide in the description of this video. So till the next video, so we will again meet in the next video.